na lamang.
Well, we are just waiting for the government authorities to serve us a personal service po nung warrant, and
Paano
also we
po
await.
kung wala na nga, missing na nga si Senator, paano isi-serve?
That is the purpose of the lawyers, ma'am. We are his legal counsel. Ma'am, I hope you don't ridicule us, ma'am. No, we're doing our best to
I'm
be
not. You're
earnest
saying
with
you want the government to personally serve, but
Yes.
he ran
Yeah,
away.
to us.
He
Kami,
ran away.
abogado po kami. Abogado naman kami. Pwede naman po sa amin.
Oh,
Pwede
so
naman po. We
that
are-
is what you want, to serve it to you,
Yes,
and then
yes,
ano pong gagawin
yes.
ninyo pag
Oh,
na-serve
and
na sa inyo?
Then we will follow
You'll produce
accordingly.
him? You'll produce
Then-
your client?
Well, I can't assure that because I'm not Bato, but we will, of course, definitely serve the warrant on our client. Kasi po, ayaw nilang sundan yung sistema. They're
Okay,
not
so
following
well,
the law that they're invoking.
this is what you're saying. You are willing for the government to serve the warrant on the legal counsels, and you will do your utmost best to produce your client. Did I
Pag
understand it
dadaan po
correctly?
sa proseso, no? Dadapan po sa proseso, sa PCTC and all that, alam po niyo yun. I'm sure you've heard all of that. Pag dumaan na po sa tamang proseso and competent judicial authority, then pwede na nating pag-usapan ang pag-appear ni Senator Bato.